Today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is entitled 21-year-old dragged out of hotel over disgusting behavior.
On March 31st, 2025, officers responded to a hotel for a call of a domestic dispute between a mother and her daughter.
Mothers and
Did they
daughters.
just jump out the window? Okay, open the doors here. You can go ahead and stand up. Check the tub.
There's no reason.
Check the closet. You want to step up?
Moms and daughters always get into it typically.
Come on. Where's your ass?
Step out. Hands.
What's your
Hands.
ass? What's going on?
What's going on? My mom is a sociopath. She's been abusing us.
Okay, do you have a shirt or something you can put on?
No.
No? Okay. What happened earlier tonight? And what happened? Earlier?
My mom
We
been
have
abusing
contact. There's
us.
no problem.
Okay. Did you throw anything at your mom?
No.
No. So what was on the broken glass?
I don't know.
You have no clue what happened earlier?
No.
Okay. Where'd you guys go earlier?
Walk around.
Why'd you leave?
I leave because my mom causes chaos. She likes to start stuff with our children. She's not right in the head.
Okay, so we just got a call for another altercation.
Well, I
With a
don't know
possible
about
weapon.
that.
So you don't know anything about that?
No.
Of course you
I know
don't.
People call me was for no reason.
Okay, well, we were here earlier. I guess you guys got in a fight?
No fight.
No fight?
No fight.
Okay, well, there was broken glass here. Do you want to what
I
went
don't know. She
on?
put her hands on me.
She put your hands on you?
Thought there was no
My
fight.
hands.
What were you guys fighting about?
She put her hands on me. She put guns on all our kids and everything.
Can you say that again?
Yes.
Who?
Everybody.
Where's the gun now?
I don't know. Tell me the truth.
Okay, where did you see her last?
I don't know.
Have you ever seen your mom with a gun?
Yes.
What kind of gun is it?
I don't know. I don't have a gun. I wouldn't know.
Describe it. What color
It's
is it?
black.
Black?
Yes.
Okay. How big is it?
It's medium?
Handgun?
Yes.
Or a shotgun or a rifle?
Medium gun. Small.
Medium or small?
Medium.
Okay.
Was this today?
Yes. Every day. She abused all of us.
Every day she abuses you?
Everybody.
Everyone?
Everybody. Even my sister.
Okay.
That's in the facility.
So I want to know what happened today in here.
She called us for no reason. And
Okay.
I don't like it.
Okay. Did you throw anything at her
No.
today?
No.
Okay.
I would never.
Okay. Well, I came here
Lying.
earlier today and you
I'm
weren't
not
here.
lying.
Okay, I believe you.
Come here. Come here. You're under arrest.
What I
You're
do?
under arrest.
Yeah, no.
Please.
Come here.
What I
We
do?
have to drag you out. We will.
Please. Please. What I do?
Stand up.
Please
Get her
don't do
together.
this. I don't have nothing on. I will put on my clothes.
Stand up.
Stand up.
Can you put on my clothes?
No.
We asked you earlier if you had a shirt.
We asked you earlier, stand up. If you're going to start cooperating with us, then maybe we'll allow that.
Every
Stand
time.
up
Why
is
am
your
I being
shirt?
on the arrest?
for domestic battery.
I didn't. I didn't put my hands on nobody.
Don't pull back. Don't do that.
Don't do this. I need something on. You think I'm finna walk barefoot?
Yep.
No.
That's what's going to happen.
Why, sir?
All right, let's go.
Hey, he put a sheet on her.
You got all the names and everything?
I don't have nothing on. So that's how y'all gonna do me?
If you just walk normally, you'd be covered up.
I need to put something
We'll
on.
have something at the station for you since you don't have anything here.
Don't do that.
You could either cooperate or you'd be charged with obstructing also.
I didn't do nothing.
Okay, obstructing it is. I suggest you start cooperating here.
I am cooperating, but I don't have no clothes on, so how y'all gonna... Gee,
Your lights work just fine. Come on.
I'm not fine. I don't get y'all at all. Like, why am I being arrested? I want to talk to my mother. Why am I being arrested?
We already told you. And until you
I
start
don't
cooperating
understand. I have been cooperating the whole time.
by walking, right?
What?
Walking?
Yes, that's freedom of speech. What you mean? You have every right to walk. I'm not doing that to nobody.
That's not freedom of speech.
I have the right to walk.
Yeah, I know. And we'd like for
So
you
what
to
I'm doing
actually
wrong?
walk. Instead of dragging your feet, just walk with these officers.
I don't
Because I'm going to tell you
understand.
right now, if you don't walk, once
I
you
need
get
to
into the
put
concrete,
something
it's gonna
on.
hurt. You got stuff on.
I don't. I don't. Racist. I need to
Oh,
put
boy.
something on.
I'll bring your sheet back in here in a minute.
I need to put something on.
Come on. Bring her back.
No, you're not.
Stand up. Stand up. All the way up. Come on.
Why am I going to jail? Where's my
you need to
mother?
walk. She was upstairs. Let's go.
I want to talk to her first.
Walk her out.
So y'all can't explain what's going on?
I already did. I'll explain everything at the station for you.
I'm not going.
Yeah, you are.
I need to put something on. Right. Y'all can't even talk to me. That's not right. I'm fine. I don't like this.
Gonna hurt your feet if you keep dragging.
I need to put on some clothes. No, I need to put on my stuff, sir.
Let's go. Come on. Have a seat.
Can I talk to the head dog? Please,
Have a seat in the car.
Get in the car.
please.
Get in the car.
Y'all didn't even talk to
Get in the
me.
car.
No, I'm not gonna get arrested for no cause for somebody getting dope.
Stop resisting. If you kick us, you're gonna get another charge.
I'm not kicking you.
Good. Then keep your feet in the car and don't do anything else.
Excuse me, can I put on some clothes, sir?
We'll get you some clothes at the station.
No, why?
Get you some still clothes at the station.
No, I'm not going to jail for something I didn't do. I don't understand. What am I doing wrong?
You're under arrest.
Why? Why am I being under arrest? I didn't do nothing wrong, sir. Can you talk to me? You hurting me! You hurting me! You hurting me! Y'all don't care! Y'all don't care! Y'all don't care!
We're gonna drag you through the car.
What am I doing wrong? You didn't even ask my side of the story or nothing. Be careful. You really is hurting me, my foot in the door.
Oh my God, I cannot stand bystanders, man. Do you hear them in the background? You're hurting her. You're hurting her. Stop. She's fine. Who are you? Who are you? Go about your business. Mind your business. This lady just tuned up her mom. The lady that birthed her, man. And you sitting here talking about you're hurting her. She hurt her mom. How about that? She hurt her mom. The lady that carried her for 9 months. You can't make this up, man. Cannot stand bystanders.
Foot out of the door.
You're not even asking me what's going
Foot
on.
out of the door.
No, you didn't talk
your
to
foot
me.
out of the door.
You didn't talk to me. You didn't even tell me my side, so y'all never f***ing listen. What, you gonna make up stories? I don't even have no clothes on. You want me to be naked? All this type of stuff for no reason. I'm literally naked. They don't care.
Stand up.
I'm naked. I'm
It's the
naked.
lady at the door.
I'm naked. I'm naked. I didn't do nothing wrong. 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 Y'all racist, y'all didn't ask me shit. Y'all asked what happened or nothing. So guess what? Y'all racist. Y'all hating me.
Do not try and bite me.
Y'all hurting me!
Do not
You
try.
hurting me! Y'all ain't even let me put no clothes and no shoes! You hurting me!
Do not try and bite me.
I would never.
You're hurting her. You hear this in the background?
How can we do this peacefully so you just get in the car?
Bro,
No, just talk to me for a minute. How can you get you in the car without you fighting?
I will go to a different location.
Yeah, you're going to the police station.
I'm not going to the police station for something I didn't do.
Yes, you are. You're under arrest for domestic battery.
For what?
Domestic battery.
For what?
You're on the phone with your mom.
I didn't do nothing to her.
Okay, get in the car.
No. See what happened? I didn't do nothing. I didn't hurt nobody. I didn't hurt nobody. I did it literally. Get the off me, cause you racist. You racist. I can't even put on my clothes to nothing. Y'all want to go in there like I'm a slave man? You gotta ask me no question. You hated me! 204! Report! 204!
No.
Really?
Really?
Harassment.
The woman was charged with domestic battery, battery on law enforcement, and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today's video.
The most annoying part was the bystander. Golly. You just want to sit on the sideline and be a cheerleader for something that you... Come on, man. You ain't got nothing better to do. Nothing. Probably don't even know what's going on. Unfreaking believable. The cops did the best job that they could, man. 5 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.